Hello everyone. We're ready to start a new unit about the human body systems. In this unit, we're going to learn about the building blocks and systems of the human body. This is Unit 3, Lesson 1. Today, we will comprehend informational text by answering questions using vocabulary and text evidence. Let's start with our vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is cells. Cells are the smallest units that make up living things and are microscopic. Cells cannot be seen without a microscope. Circulate. Circulate means to move around in a loop or a circle. This fan circulates air through a room. Functions. Functions are the actions or activities that something was designed to do. Each gear in this machine functions to make the machine work. Organs. Organs are major parts of the body formed by tissues that perform specific functions. Tissues. Tissues are masses of cells that have a specific structure and come together to form organs. This is muscle tissue. Muscle tissue comes together to form your muscles. Do you remember Dr. Wellbody, the rhyming pediatrician, when you learned about the human body in first grade? In this unit, you will be learning about the human body from a narrator named Ricardo, who loves to tell riddles about the human body. Listen carefully to today's Read Aloud to hear a little bit about the skeletal, muscular, nervous, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, and excretory systems. You will be hearing riddles about each of these systems, so you should listen carefully so you can guess the correct answers. Also, listen carefully to find out about the building blocks of the human body. Hello everybody, I'm Ricardo. I'm in the third grade and I am fascinated by the human body and its complex interconnected systems. I hope to continue to learn about the human body in great detail and become a doctor someday. Dr. Wellbody is a friend of mine. Who remembers Dr. Wellbody? She's the rhyming pediatrician whom some of you may have met when you were in first grade. Dr. Wellbody taught you about your body using several rhymes like this one. Everybody has a body and I have one too. It is grand to understand the things our bodies do. Dr. Wellbody just happens to be my very own pediatrician. She's also one of my teachers, but not the kind you find in a school. Because she's taught me so much about my body, she has asked me to come share a little of what I've learned with you. Thanks for welcoming me. I can't wait. Our bodies are often compared with machines. That comparison may seem strange to you at first, because machines are non-living objects, and our bodies are very much alive. But think about it. Machines are made up of parts that make up networks. Human body systems include lots of different parts working together to perform very special jobs. Dr. Wellbody says that our bodies are the most marvelous machines on earth. And I think you will agree with her once we review how our bodies work. Just as Dr. Wellbody loves rhymes, I love riddles. So expect to hear a lot of riddles from me. Let's begin our lesson with one now. I am as strong as a tree trunk, but with a little help from other human body systems, I can bend in many directions. I give your body its shape. What am I? Your skeleton. Does anyone know which system of the body includes your skeleton? Your skeletal system, that bony network that supports you and protects important organs inside your body. The skeletal system is only one of many systems working together in your body. Now I'm going to ask you some more riddles. See if you can match the riddle to the right body system. Are you ready? Let's go! I'm the system that makes your bones move. I also help you blink and swallow. What system am I? The muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles are the motors of the human machine, and they keep your body moving in lots of different ways. Some are attached to your bones and help you run and throw a ball. Others line the walls of your stomach, squeezing in and then relaxing to help digest your food. Small muscles in your face help you smile. Your strongest and most important muscle, your heart, works non-stop, pumping blood throughout your body day and night. Get ready for your next riddle. Without me, you would not be able to feel, see, or hear. I control your senses by sending messages to my command center, the brain. What system am I? The nervous system. The nervous system is your body's communicator. It tells your body what to do. Nerves run throughout your body from head to toe, like a giant road system. Nerves send messages up and down your spine to your brain. The nervous system controls your muscles, telling them how to move. It also helps all your other systems do their jobs. Here's the next riddle. I work like a food processing machine. You put food in my mouth, and I churn it up for the rest of your body to use as fuel. What system am I? The digestive system. The digestive system helps you digest or break down your food. It splits your food into nutrients, giving your body energy to live and grow. Food enters your mouth and travels down a long tube called the esophagus, all the way to the stomach and the intestines. It takes food nearly 2 days to pass all the way through your body. Here's the next riddle. I work like a water filter, getting rid of harmful substances in the liquid that passes through your body. I excrete them or push them out of the body. What system am I? The excretory system. The excretory system excretes or gets rid of liquids such as sweat and urine that may be harmful to the body. Your skin, the largest organ of the body, excretes sweat through its many pores. A pair of organs called the kidneys filter harmful substances and extra water from the blood and send them to your bladder. Your bladder looks like a bag holding excess fluid or urine until it is ready to pass out of your body. Here's your next riddle. I am your body's delivery system. I deliver nutrients and oxygen to all parts of your body by blood vessels. The heart acts as my pump. What system am I? The circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of your heart, blood vessels, and blood. Blood enters your heart and is pumped into a large blood vessel. Blood vessels carry blood to every part of your body and then loop back again. This circulation of the blood, carrying nutrients and oxygen, happens all day and all night. Here's your next riddle. I carry oxygen to your blood. Without oxygen, you cannot live. I also get rid of a gas called carbon dioxide that the body does not need. I help you breathe. What system am I? The respiratory system. The respiratory system brings oxygen-filled air into your body. You can live without food for days, but you cannot live for more than a few minutes without oxygen. You breathe in air through your mouth and nose and exhale a gas called carbon dioxide. Air travels through a tube into your lungs, the organs that take up most of your chest. Your lungs take in the oxygen that keeps you alive. Wow, everybody, you've identified 7 of the body's systems. Let's see if you can name all 7 with me. Skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, and respiratory system. The systems of the human body are organ systems. Each system is made up of organs, parts of the body with clearly defined functions. For example, your stomach is an organ. Your stomach works closely with other organs, like your mouth, esophagus, liver, and intestines. These organs are all parts of your digestive system. Each one of these organs has a specific function to perform as part of your digestive system's overall job, which is to down your body's food. Organs are made up of tissues. Tissues are masses of cells that have a specific structure and come together to form organs. There are many different types of tissues, including muscle, bone, skin, blood, and nerve tissue. Each type of tissue is made up of different groups of similar cells that do the same jobs. All body tissues are made up of cells. But what exactly are cells? Cells come in all shapes and sizes, depending upon the jobs they must perform. For example, red blood cells look like bagels with dents instead of holes. They travel through your blood carrying important nutrients throughout your body. Skin cells, grouped together in skin tissue, are packed tightly together to form a protective boundary between you and your environment. Your skin is your largest organ. Nerve cells are grouped together in nerve tissue and often have long extensions that send and receive messages quickly. Muscle cells grouped together in muscle tissue look very different too. They are long and lean, helping the body move as they stretch and shorten. Each body system is made up of different types of cells. There are over 200 different types of cells in your body. Everything you do, from breathing to eating to running to sleeping, requires lots of working cells. They are truly the building blocks of your body. Without cells, there would be no body tissues, no body organs, and no body systems. In fact, all living things have cells. There would be no living things on Earth if it weren't for cells. Cells are alive, and living things do not last forever. Some cells live for only a few days. Others live for years. Some cells become damaged when you get hurt. Others wear out over time. But inside your body's tissues, cells are constantly dividing and multiplying. One cell becomes 2 cells. 2 cells become 4. 4 become 8, and so forth. As cells die, the dead cells are replaced with new cells on a daily basis. Isn't the life cycle of cells amazing? Well, everybody, we're out of time. Today you heard a little about a lot of body systems. Next time I'll be back to give you a peek inside your body. I'm looking forward to discussing the human body systems with you. See you next time.